Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and then we have to scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down, and here we've got the section we're looking for. We've got the phone ringtone for the first and the second SIM card, which is quite a cool option because you can divide the ringtones between them and be able to recognize from which SIM the contacts are calling. So let me show you how to do it for the first SIM card. It does not really matter right now. After tapping, you will have this pop-out window with the ringtones which are installed by default. At the top of this list we've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the list we've got the add ringtone option, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files, and if you will have any, for example, downloaded, and if they will be compatible, they will appear right there. You will be able to pick different folders to find the music and set it as a ringtone. But I will pick something from those options, and basically, first of all, I think I have to turn on the sounds. Alright, so in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it if you like it or not. And if you'll decide that you like it, so for example this Lyra, I believe, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.